these look fire.
Oh, these are for patients only, fam.
I'm a patient too, bro.
Oh no.
A future patient.
Enjoy. YouTube, enjoy.
Can you feed it to me?
No. I'm on the clock.
I'm literally about to have a donut right before we go eat.
Right before your teeth cleaning?
I know. Which one is... Damn, this one looks good. I'm not gonna lie, guys. You guys want a little sample?
Are we barely starting the episode right now?
Yup. This is Vlogmas day 16, I think it is.
God,
it's more than just a donut.
Every single day?
Every single day.
This is what I do. This is how I afford the M3.
Rich. You're rich, bro. That shit is good. I'm literally eating a donut right before we're about to go eat Korean barbecue. It's so bad, but it's so good.
That's $5.
You guys didn't know, Mark owns a dental office. I'm not in the M4, guys. I'm in the truck. But we're out here waiting for Mark to pull up. I mean, to get out of work.
I'm here.
I know. And then we're gonna meet up with the Drees and a couple of other homies, and we're gonna go get some Korean barbecue.
Why didn't you let Nick borrow some clothes?
Yeah, guys, I think Nick went home because he didn't have enough clothes.
He was supposed to hang out with us today.
Anyways, I want to drive with Drees' M5. You think he'll let me? No? Will he at least give me a ride?
I'm sure he'll give me a ride. Bro, he gave Nick a ride. He was in one of Nick's clothes. When it was all white, yeah.
I was there too.
Oh, yeah.
Dick. If we can't drive it, at least we'll get a ride in the M5. But it's tuned though, and it's catless.
He got stay wrapped.
Oh yeah, huh?
And then he put it on.
But that shit was good, not gonna lie.
Oh,
No.
then you're gonna eat dinner.
Bro, where are my gifts? Why is there no presents under here, Mark? I was expecting a big box that says KG on it.
The car parts don't fit under there.
Bro.
Bro, it looks like a wig. Like a weave. A toupee.
Bro, I can't believe it got sugar on this thing.
Bro, why you have my work right now, though? That's crazy.
We came in for a cleaning real quick.
There you go. Use discount code lifewithkg for free cleaning. Didn't you have 3 on here?
Huh? How much is it?
Waters
How much do I owe you guys?
I'm running it up. Running that tab.
But yeah, guys, if you guys didn't know, these aren't my real teeth.
Stop. I was about to say, bro. What the?
I'm kidding, guys. I have veneers on.
And you know, low-key,
I'm kidding, I don't.
You know Brad Pitt, low-key has no none of his teeth.
No way.
No, I'm just kidding. I'll put that in there.
It's staying in the vlog. Yeah, guys, we pulled up to... Bye, Chris.
We're late.
I don't even know who that is. I'm just saying bye to random people. Oh. Alright, guys. It's time to start the intro real quick. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. I'm starting my vlog inside of Mark's dental office over here. And like I said, we're gonna go get some Korean barbecue. We're gonna meet up with the Drees, the homie Ken. That's it, just us two? How did I catch this?
You're an athlete.
Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button. Turn on the post notifications. Follow me on Instagram. Follow Mark on Instagram and on YouTube. He's been slacking on the content. He doesn't have his F80 right now. If you guys want to know why, go to his channel right now and you'll find out why. But he doesn't have his F80. And we haven't kicked it in a long time. Mark thinks I'm like mad at him or something, but we're not. I mean, I'm not. I don't know why Mark thinks I'm mad at him or something. But yeah, he doesn't have his F80 M3. We're still cool, like you know, we're still homies, even though he doesn't have his car.
You're only here because Nick's home. Nick, where you at?
No, that's not true. But yeah, he doesn't have his F80 right now. It's down, unfortunately. Bro, the lighting in here is perfect. Oh yeah, so we're gonna stop by Kenny A Auto Work. Kenny has that crazy like M4 that's like the whole car is wrapped like a matte battleship gray, and then it has like Sharpie outlines all over the car. It's a crazy M4. So we might stop by there and then we might go get Korean barbecue. I'll pick up the camera once Mark is almost done because I don't want to keep distracting him over here. I'm vlogging and stuff. I'm gonna write a Yelp review for you guys.
Yeah, dude.
But anyways, so like I said, we might stop by Kenny's shop and then we might see Mark's F80. But yeah, something unfortunately happened to his F80. I think right after the LA Auto Show. His car was at the LA Auto Show for like a week. And then right when he pulled it out, something bad happened. So he probably won't have a car for a minute, but he can always ride passenger princess with me. I don't mind it. So I always like having passengers, honestly. Like I always have Nick as a passenger. Mark's been my passenger sometimes. So anyway, pick up the camera once we're out of here. Guys, I found the perfect Iris. It's a Performante and it's in orange. Oh my gosh, dude. This is literally perfection right here, guys. This has got to be the sickest Iris perf. So it has the carbon hood and the roof, which is kind of hard to find because I think at one point you were only able to order it with either only the roof or the hood. And then I think for like a limited time you were able to order it with both, and this one has both. Carbon mirror caps, carbon fenders, carbon everywhere on the little spoiler up there and on the roof, like I said. So fire. Alcantara everywhere. Look at that. Oh my god. Even the steering wheel. Look at the whole entire dash, guys. All Alcantara. Carbon everywhere in the interior. And look at the seats, Alcantara. But the back seats are the captain seats. So check this out. Where is it? Look at that. Oh my, that is so fire, bro. This is like the ideal goal right here, guys. This is like perfection right here. 2023 years perf. Damn, look at that price tag. $380, bro. That's like $400,000 more with tax and everything. Is crazy. $400,000. What's up, G? Damn, fool, you're hella buff.
What do you mean, bro?
Guys, comment down below. This fool over here look like The Incredibles, dog. I swear, bro.
Oh, what's the move, bro? Where are we going?
I'm waiting for my cleaning, G.
We're close, fam.
Ding! Sheesh. The homie Ken's F80 M3. Shit's hella nice.
Get these.
And on TEs, all over Nick. That shit's hella nice, guys. Look at that. Shit, clean, dude. We got Kenny's E30 wide body. Shit's clean, too.
We don't know where we're gonna eat though.
Oh my gosh. The homie Sebas is E36 M3 with the wide body kit.
I hate that car.
Shit.
I'm just kidding. Sell it to me.
Big homie Sebas. We got the Supra. Oh shit. Clean. And there's Mark's F80, guys. Unfortunately, like I said, something happened to the car. So.
Wow, Rich.
What's up, Kenny?
What was good, man? Why you bring Mark?
He followed me. I tried to lose him, but unfortunately Mark followed me over here, bro.
Bothering me at work.
Yo, this is a sick wrap color.
Hey, don't look at it.
It's like green.
Don't post it. Don't post it. Stop looking.
It's like greenish, purple.
Post what I want.
Yeah, for real. I'm gonna post this. That's just sick. On an F80?
Nah, it's come a long way.
LCI, look at the LCI headlights.
Hey, my last video, he was only doing like one panel. For real. We had just started, huh?
Yo, this is pretty fire. Is this a new color or something? I've never seen it. It's pretty sick. All right, guys, I'm not gonna show you guys the damage, but it sucks, dude. People do not know how to drive here in LA, I swear. And over here we have a super clean E92 M3. I think it's wrapped like a frozen chrome red on BBS's. This is super nice. And 6-speed manual. Sheesh. Got the color matching spoiler over here. From New Jersey. Oh shit. And they got a Supra over there. Yeah, guys, AA Autoworks, they build the craziest cars, guys. They do wide bodies. They do pretty much everything. They do body work, car part installs, wraps, bunch of cool stuff. So check them out, AA Autoworks. Oh my god, bro. It's so loud. Damn. Mark, I could just hold it for you.
Right, here.
You over here he's over here putting the phone in the Tesla, bro. Here, dog, I got you. Alright guys, so before I was talking about doing this over here in Acid Orange, and I found you're so stupid. And we found the color, look at that. Gloss liquid copper. I think that would look sick behind the brace here. That should be fire. Come on, Kenny. Let me pretend like I'm doing something real quick. That's up to Kenny.
Not Kenny.
I don't know. Are we doing this right, Kenny?
Kenny.
Damn, this is so fire. There's egg in here. Fire, man.
Bro.
Damn. What's up, Idris?
Bro, Best Buy's return policy is 15% restocking fee. I was like, what?
15?
Yeah.
For what? What are you trying to get?
Like, I was just gonna mess around with my camera, but if I didn't want it, I'll return it. Total technique.
How much more is
We all eating good right now. That's what's up.
High protein, bro. Thank you.
Bro.
For the boys.
Hey. Shout out to Idris one time. Wait, how many can we take?
3, bro.
What's the total? Before or after?
It's the homie Idris, F90 M5. Told you guys he had it wrapped satin black. He also did the yellow DRLs, carbon roof, M5 comp. Let's check out that interior though. Damn. That's just fire. Damn, those shits look hard. With the satin black, it looks so good. Oh shit, you have a dash cam too? All right guys, so there's a, you're good, you keep going, you can go on this side if you want more. So this car has downpipe and tune, but with no burbles.
What is this food doing?
Oh my god. And it's all-wheel drive too. Bro, that shit pulls so
I
hard.
think I need to get new tires, bro. I'm starting to feel it like wobble a little bit.
Bro,
I don't
that
want to speed down Van Nuys, bro.
bro, this thing is insane. Oh. Bro, this sound is crazy. Got a downpipe on this car, let's hear it. Is it a 340?
Yeah.
They sound so good.
That's all you did, right? Just downpipe?
Oh yeah, it's an M340i. Oh my god, that was close though, huh? Bro. Oh my god, bro, that thing pulls. Jesus. Damn, bro, that shit pulls so nice though. God damn, we like glided right there.
Yeah, right?
That's crazy. Damn, guys, such a clean F90 M5, and with the satin black wrap, it looks so aggressive. Sheesh, my boy got the carbon ceramics, rich, LCI tails. That shit's too clean. Oh my god, guys. For sure, it's gonna hit $100 bucks. You think?
3-4 days.
Where?
Oh, 05.
Oh my god, bro, almost $100 bucks. It's loud? Too loud, huh? I know. That shit way too loud, bro. Right there, right there, right there. You're good. Let's get a startup real quick, guys. Ooh. Ooh. That's crazy. Bro, you can hear those intakes.
Oh, that's clean.
You got the wing on there too?
Yo, that's crazy, bro. That's sick.
Oh my god, Idris. Bro. That's insane. Sheesh. Marking a 340, rich. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.